Hi, I am Rhina Hernandez and this is my Sprout Up journey. Personally, I don't really have a background in agriculture prior to entering my degree program, which is Agribusiness Management and Entrepreneurship. But as soon as I immersed myself in it, I realized how significant agriculture is and its interrelation with business. Current issues in the high cost of locally produced agricultural commodities and the lack of value addition have fueled me more in continuing the career path that I have chosen. And now, I am aiming for the goal to be one of the contributors that could effectively give solution in these issues. With that, I believe that supporting agriculture is one of the vital keys to achieve food security, sustainability, as well as economic stability. Together, let's sprout up. This is Rhina Hernandez para sa Bayan, Agham at Agrikultura.